Group 7 elements are called halogens. I'm drawing here a periodic table. You can find group 7 elements here. These are non-metals and very reactive. Fluorine is a poisonous yellow gas. Chlorine is a poisonous dense green gas. Bromine is a poisonous red-brown volatile liquid. Iodine is a dark grey solid or purple vapour. They all have 7 electrons in their outer shell. You need to learn the trends of halogens. These are: the reactivity decreases as you go down the group, the density increases as you go down the group, and the melting point increases as you go down the group. More reactive halogens will displace less reactive ones. For example, chlorine plus potassium iodine will go to iodine plus potassium chloride. Because chlorine is more reactive than iodine, it takes its place. You have now learnt about the trends of group 7 and displacement reactions. You will find a summary of this information below. Make sure you test yourself using the quiz on reviseitright.com. Group 1 elements are called alkali metals. Here is a diagram of the periodic table. You can find group 1 elements here. They are all very reactive and soft metals, and they all have 1 electron in their outer shell. This is why they're so reactive. You need to learn the trends of the alkali metals as you go down the group. These are: the reactivity increases as you go down the group, i.e. potassium is more reactive than lithium because it's further down the group. The density also increases as you go down the group, and the melting point decreases as you go down the group. You probably remember this demo from school. Group 1 elements are very reactive in water. Remember, as you go down the group, they get more reactive. In water, they produce a metal hydroxide and hydrogen. For example, potassium plus water makes potassium hydroxide plus hydrogen. Alkali metals and chlorine produce a salt. For example, sodium plus chlorine produces sodium chloride. Group 1 elements also react with oxygen to form their metal oxide. For example, sodium plus oxygen makes sodium oxide. You have now learnt about the trends in Group 1 and how they react with water, chlorine and oxygen. You will find a summary of this information below. Make sure you test yourself using the quiz on reviseitright.com. Why are we the best revision website out there? Well, because we have it all in one place. Revision notes, summary videos, longer, more detailed videos for topics you're struggling on, exam question walkthrough videos where qualified teachers take you through the perfect answers to exam questions, worksheets, quizzes, computer marked exam questions, interactive flashcards, forums, the ability to keep track on where you are using our tick list, and so much more. But that's not all. We run at least 3 live lessons a week, and closer to exam time, this will be more, where you can tune into a qualified teacher teaching lots of different topics each week. The lessons will be interactive, and we go through exam questions and quick quizzes to ensure understanding as you go. We also run drop-in sessions where you can drop in, ask a tutor anything live, get the answer that you need, and leave. These are included in our silver and gold membership. This means that for an extra £10 a month, you can access at least 12 hours of lessons a month. That's under £1 an hour, which is incredibly cheap. Still not convinced? Try us completely free for 7 days and cancel anytime, completely free of charge. We offer this because we're convinced that you'll love us. So try us now.